Hi, Sarah here with Coast Catalyst Construction, and today we are with Jamie Renison from Tipping Point Contracting. It's the end of July, it's early afternoon, it's hot out here, and these guys have been working really hard landscaping our yard right now. And they put in numerous blocks and a ready rock wall. They've just started here now, and Jamie and his crew have done a lot of this, and we just want to get a few words from Jamie about the difference of why we're using ready rock in one area and why we're using the big cement blocks in the other.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. The big blocks on my left here, they're 30 inches high, so they work great for a single application for a flat surface for building a deck off of a ramp or access out of a greenhouse. They're limited on when you double tier them to turn a corner. For example, on my right, we have the ready rock here. And you can take every 15 feet, it can turn 45-degree angle, and they lock. I can go up to 8 feet high without having to cut anything, and it just automatically makes the corner and multiple steps and stages. And it's got a beautiful textured finish, two different styles, cobblestone, ledgestone. This is currently the ledgestone pattern, which is my favorite. It's kind of the West Coast kind of look, fits in with the building that Sarah's doing here. And yeah, it just blends in nicely, creates that natural garden look around these trees that they're trying to preserve and save.
Yeah, well, thank you very much, Jamie. You guys are doing an excellent job. Stay tuned and see what this rock wall is going to look like in the end. It's certainly going to make a fabulous centerpiece as you approach this house that we're building. So I'm Sarah with Coast Catalyst Construction, building your legacy.